If you need to file IRS Form 843 for penalty abatement, this video walks through every step. Whether you are filing under the Kwong ruling or for another reason, the process is the same. Step 1. Gather your information. You need 3 things before you start: your Social Security number or EIN, the tax year the penalty was assessed, and the type of penalty, which is the 3-digit IRS penalty code. The most common ones under Kwong are failure to file, failure to pay, and estimated tax penalties. If you have your IRS notice, the penalty code and amount are on it. If you do not have the notice, you can pull this from your IRS transcript. Step 2. Fill out the form. Form 843 has 6 sections. The critical ones are Section 3, where you enter the type of penalty, Section 5, where you provide the reason for abatement, and Section 7, where you sign and date. For Kwong claims specifically, Section 5 needs to reference the ruling and explain why the penalty was improperly assessed. This is the legal argument, and it matters. Step 3. Attach supporting documentation. At minimum, include a copy of the IRS notice showing the penalty. If you are referencing the Kwong ruling, include a brief statement of facts explaining how your penalty falls within the covered window. Step 4. Submit. Form 843 is mailed to the IRS. The specific address depends on your state. Do not file it electronically. Do not attach it to your tax return. It goes to the IRS as a standalone submission. Step 5. Wait and track. The IRS typically processes Form 843 requests within 60 to 90 days. You will receive a notice confirming abatement or denial. Now, if all of that sounds like a lot, there is a faster way. Tax Claim Pro auto-generates your Form 843 with the Kwong arguments pre-populated. You enter your penalty details, it builds the form. Link in the description.